There are 19 species of owl currently found in the United States. In alphabetical order, these are the owl species you may be lucky enough to spot in the U.S. Number 1. Barn owl, Tyto alba. Number 2. Barred owl, Strix varia. Number 3. Boreal owl, Aegolius funereus. Number 4. Burrowing owl, Athena cunicularia. Number 5. Elf owl, Microthene whitneyi. Number 6. Ferruginous pygmy owl, Glaucidium brasilia. Number 7. Eastern screech owl, Megascope sasio. Number 8. Flammulated owl, Otis flammulus. Number 9. Great gray owl, Strix nebulosa. Number 10. Great horned owl, Bubo virginianus. Number 11. Long-eared owl, Asiootis. Number 12. Northern hawk owl, Cernia olnua. Number 13. Northern pygmy owl, Glaucidium californicum. Number 14. Northern saw-whet owl, Aegolius acaticus. Number 15. Short-eared owl, Asioflammeus. Number 16. Snowy owl, Bubos gandiacus. Number 17. Spotted owl, Strix occidentalis. Number 18. Western screech owl, Megascopes canicatiae. Number 19. Whiskered screech owl, Megascopes trichopsis.